Yeah, he would have a corny ass song in the background. We just got a 2005 Legacy Subaru.
You want to put it on your bike?
Yeah, I'm gonna put it on my bike. I gotta open this up, you know, really, because I want to save the box. Because Mishimoto sent me such a beautiful box. Yo. We recorded, man. Cut it out. All right. I want to save the box. I want to frame it. Okay. Like this is, yo, for us poor people, you know, for us to get Mishimoto. Oh, look how beautiful. You got to get it inside of this, yo. Come on, man. Like Mishimoto, yeah, you do a hell of a job making us feel like rich.
Where the stickers?
Okay. Oh, what the stickers? Calm down, bro. You ain't getting that on your car. Oh, all right, let's do the first one. Oh, look at that. Oh, my God, look at that. It's so pretty.
That's that part you bought separately, right?
Yeah, shut up. Now I have two of them. I just ordered a pairing, and then I made the adjustment to buy a whole intercooler from Mishimoto. Yeah, they both are good brands. So, but we'll see which one. Okay, anyway, this is beautiful. Okay, comes with the clamps and everything. And then, oh man, please let it be stick. Look at the stick. Is that a sticker or is that an air freshener? Whatever it is, it looks awesome. It's beautiful. Mishimoto, man, you just, it should say Legacy GT, but instead it just says WRSTI, whatever. Okay, anyway, let's see what else we got. Let's see what, oh, this is all take. Get it right. Oh man, somebody just walked in the front. All right, okay. So we're gonna have to pause the video. We had a customer walk in. We will be back soon.